First use and discovery of MDMA, also known as ecstasy, was first synthesized in 1912 by the German pharmaceutical company called Merck. Initially, it was created as precursor to a blood clotting agent by agent called hydrastinine, rather than for a direct pharmacological use or as an appetite suppressant, which is common misconception. The compound was not tested extensively until much later. It remained relatively obscure until the 1970s. First cultivation and productions of MDMA. Although MDMA was synthesized in 1912, it wasn't cultivated or produced for public use until the late 1970s. In 1975, American chemist Alexander Shulgin reintroduced MDMA to the psychotherapeutic community after synthesizing it again and recognizing its potential for enhancing therapeutic communication. The drug gained popularity among therapists in the late 1970s as a tool to facilitate trust and openness during sessions. The first purpose. The initial purpose of MDMA was not recreational. It was intended as a research chemical with potential application in psychotherapy. In the 1980s, however, its use shifted dramatically towards recreational contexts, especially in party and rave scenes. Start of popularity. MDMA began to gain popularity as a recreational drug in the late 1970s and early 1980s. By the mid 1980s, it became widely associated with rave culture and was used extensively in dance parties. Its euphoric effects led to its rapid acceptance among youth subculture, paralleling the rise of similar substances like LSD in the previous decades.
So, ecstasy, commonly known as MDMA, which means methylene-deoxymethamphetamine, is a synthetic psychoactive substance that is chemically similar to both stimulants and hallucinogens. It belongs to the substituted amphetamine class and has both stimulant and emphatomogenic effects. So the chemical structure of MDMA is characterized by a phenylethylamine backbone with a methyl-deoxy group attached to the aromatic ring, which is what distinguishes it from other amphetamines. So the chemical formula for MDMA is C11H15NO2 and its molecular weight is 193.25 gram mole. So the compound is typically produced as a white, odorless crystalline powder or in pill form, often mixed with the substance for illicit use. So MDMA primarily affects the brain by increasing the activity of neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, which leads to heightened sensory perception, emotionally warmth, and increased energy. So from a physical standpoint, so MDMA is a crystalline solid at room temperature and is soluble in water and alcohol. It has a melting point of approximately 148 to 149 degrees Celsius. So MDMA's psychoactive effects include euphoria, increased sociability, emotional openness, and distorted sensory perception, which are part of why it is commonly used in recreational settings. So however, its use also carries significant risk, including dehydration, hypothermia, and potential long-term neurochemical damage.
Manufacturing and production of ecstasy or the MDMA, chemical composition and synthesis. Ecstasy or MDMA, 3,4-methyliodioxy methamphetamine is a synthetic drug derived from saffrole, a compound found in sassafras oil. The manufacturing process involves extraction of saffrole or its derivatives, obtained from plants like sassafras trees or chemically sensitized. Chemical reaction. Saffrole is converted into MDP2P 3,4-methyldioxy-phenyl-2-propanol through chemical reactions like isomerization or oxidation. Reduction process, MDP2P is reduced to MDMA using reducing agents such as aluminum, amalgam, sodium, cyanoborohydride or similar chemicals. Purification. The resulting crude MDMA is purified through recrystallization to create the final product, typically as tablets, capsules, or powders. Illicit production often takes place in clandestine laboratories to evade law enforcement. Laboratories are typically located in remote areas or disguised as legitimate business. Equipment and precursors are often sourced from the black market or through legal but monitored channels forms. Ecstasy is usually pressed into colorful pills or tablets with logos or sold as powders and capsules.
Special features and which countries it is widely used. Special features and global usage. MDMA produces heightened sensation of pleasure, increased sociability, emotional closeness, and empathy. These effects make it unique among recreational drugs. Users report enhanced sensory perceptions and feeling of euphoria. However, overuse can lead to dehydration, hypothermia, and serotonin depletion. MDMA's therapeutic potential is being explored for conditions such as PTSD and anxiety in controlled clinical settings. Second, countries of wide usage. MDMA is widely used in countries with vibrant nightlife cultures, including the United States, United Kingdom, Netherlands, and Australia. The Netherlands is the major producer of MDMA for the global illicit market due to its advanced chemical industries and lax pre-or chemical controls. Its also popularity is linked to music festivals, raves, and club scenes, particularly in Western and European countries.